Hey guys, what's up? It's V here. Thank you for clicking on this video and for coming to hang out with me today. First of all, I have recorded a video just like this not too long ago. It was actually the last video I recorded. I finished it and my files would not load. And I was excited because this is the first time I actually did one of these. As I've mentioned before, I've been doing a lot of charm shopping. And it's been difficult to figure out how to do an actual haul with everything that I've been buying, and so I just haven't. And then last time I decided, okay, I'm finally gonna do it. I recorded the entire haul and my files wouldn't load. So I got some more packages in today and I'm gonna try it again. Different brand. I don't remember what is in this one in particular, so we will find out together. Before we get started, give me a like if you like this video and make sure you subscribe. Let's go ahead and open this. I don't know, like I said, what is in this. I got two packages. So we're gonna start with this smaller one. I do not know what is in it. Basically, with these charms that I've been buying through TikTok shops. There are a lot of pages that do TikTok lives and sell nail charms and DIY charms, and that is where I have been sourcing all of my charms. So basically the way it works is you place an order and they will pack your order on the actual live, so you can see exactly what you're getting, and then they give you free goodies, and it's just like a whole experience, and it's so satisfying also that it becomes so addictive. So that is where I've been, that is where my head has been, where my money's been going. And yeah, so this one looks like this is from the page DIY Lizzy. I will make sure to put everything in the description. So this is from DIY Lizzy. There are a couple of TikTok pages that I follow and buy from often, and this is one of them. This is one of the more expensive ones. So, like I mentioned, a lot of these places, pretty much for the most part, all of them, give freebies. And so I will just show you the freebies that I got first, just to get those out of the way. I got a dotting tool and some tweezers. This pretty much comes in every package that you get with this company. And then I got a metal container just to store stuff in. And then this looks like it's maybe a nail kit. Yeah, look how cool this is. I love that everything is the same color. So you get 3 different nail clippers. So you'll get like the bigger one for like toes, fingernails, and then you get this like fancy one. I don't really know how that's supposed to work. Then you get tweezers, some cuticle scissors, and then you just get a bunch of these like random little tools that I never really use. But yeah, this comes in this really cute case. I love this. I have a yellow one like this actually from them, but it doesn't come with as many items. So that is the freebies that I got from this order. Also, the type of freebies that you get is dependent on the amount that you spend. So let's get into the actual mixes that I bought. These are all metallic mixes. I feel like this one might be the Lunar Lullaby mix. And this one just comes with crosses. It looks like there's, I don't know, like squirrel heads. I don't know what those are. Hearts, these cat eye stones, stars. There's like a little bat heart and some other random shapes. I believe this one is the Lunar Lullaby mix, and I got 3 scoops of this. Depending on the shop, they will either sell it by the bag, by the scoop, or by like the jar or glass or whatever. So it depends on the seller. But yeah, like I said, I got 3 scoops, so that's about how much you get in 3 scoops. This one here is this is the Fairy Wings mix, and I got 2 scoops of this one. And this is like a butterfly mix, so there's just a bunch of different types of butterflies. These are very pretty. Obviously, the metal mixes are a lot more expensive, which sucks because those are my favorite types of charms to buy. There's like these cat eye stones, random cats. And yeah, so that is the fairy wings mix. So this is the 2 scoops. This is what 2 scoops look like for the fairy wings. If you guys have any questions about these shops and how they work, let me know. I would be more than happy to tell you what I know and which shops I would recommend. Well, this one is the Pinky Promise mix, and I got 1 scoop of this. And this is just a pink mix here. And this one just has a bunch of bows, bears, there's some snakes in here, hearts. Yeah, so that is the Pinky Promise mix. I like these types because they're a smooth, they kind of have like a smooth coating to it. I think you can kind of tell. Oh, there's some crosses in here, so yeah. So this is 1 scoop. This is 2 scoop, just to kind of compare. And then 3 scoops. Next is the Crown Jewels mix, and this has some, for the most part, hearts, and these are all with gems in them. There's these cat eye stones. These are very pretty. It's so funny because my last Temu haul, I just ordered a bunch of cat eye stones. So yeah, now I have these. These are really pretty. Oh, there's a star here. So that is 2 scoops of the Crown Jewels mix. 2 scoops here. And the type of mix that it is will really play a factor in how much you get. Obviously, the smaller they are, the more you'll get in a scoop. So this next one is the Dreamcatcher mix. And as the name states, there are a bunch of dream catchers in this mix. There's some crosses. There are these pretty blue and pinkish purple canines, these moons. These are so pretty. I love this. What is this, like a flower? And I got 2 scoops of this one. And also with like this shop in particular, they have mixes that they only sell for like the day. And so if you don't buy it on that day, then most likely you're not gonna see it again and you won't be able to buy it. This next one is Gloom Weaver, and I got 3 scoops of this one. I really don't remember it looking like this because I already have a bunch of these tiny hearts that I don't know why I would have bought 3 scoops of the same hearts that I already have. But this looks cool. This got finger heart, charms, bats. There's like a all-seeing eye. Was that what that's called? Like the one on the money? Bow. I really like the finger heart ones. I think that's what sold me the most. I don't really know what that one is. There's a butterfly. So yeah, this one is the Gloom Weaver. And that is 3 scoops worth there. What is this last one? This one might be the Crown Jewels. And this one is 2 scoops. Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah, this has some crowns in it. Moons, bows. That's pretty much what this mix consists of. So yeah, that was 2 scoops. So as you can see, like 2 scoops isn't always a lot, but like I said, the metal mixes are always a lot more expensive. So that's 2 scoops there. And that's all that I got in this haul from this store. So I got 7 different metal mixes and then the little freebies that came with it. And then I have one more box that I'm going to show you guys. And this is from a store called Kosbling. They have Kosbling. There are 3 different hosts, so they all have their own page. DIY Lizzy, there's also 3 hosts for that particular company. She's one of them. And this particular company does mostly mixes, like super mixes, which are like a blend of glitters, nail charms, clay slices, Fimo slices, so stuff like that. They will have metal charms sometimes, and it is different every day. They have a new mix every single day. So I have a thank you card right here. It looks like I have a tote bag. It says Kosbling on it. That's so sweet. They just created this logo too, so now everything has it. Ooh, just a bunch of butterflies. I don't know what these are. So these are obviously the freebies. I don't know, it's kind of like a paper. And then, so you can like glue this onto stuff, but it just came with different sizes. That is cool. And then this has a mold. This is the butterfly mold, so just like their logo. And then I got this card. Pretty things inside. Ooh. Oh, cool. This is a little pop socket. That is awesome. I kind of needed a new one. And then some of their stickers. Oh, that's so sweet. So those are the freebies. I love this company so much. I have bought a lot from them. And they're actually two sisters. Two of the hosts are sisters, and they're so sweet. Okay. This one in particular, these are from Miki's Live. Okay, so here I got the Fantasy Bear, and this one is the Gummy Bears. And these glow in the dark. And anytime you buy a new mix on the day of, you get a buy one, get one free promotion. This is, I paid for 50 mLs and they gave me 100 mLs. And then those actually go into this mix here. Yeah, so this is the actual mix. So this is the Fantasy Bear Glow Mix. They just started to where if you want to buy an individual item that's in this mix, so this is part of this mix, they started allowing you, they started selling them individually, or you can just buy the mix. And like I said, there are glitters or Fimo slices, they've got charms, and just a whole bunch of stuff, rhinestones. So I bought 50 mLs and I got 100 for the buy one, get one promotion. And then this one here is the Groovy Love Glow Mix. I just bought the mix. I didn't buy anything individually, but again, I paid 50 mLs and I got 100. And the last thing is the Time Traveler mix. And these are metal, these are metallic pendants, charms, I guess you would call it. Nothing to do for my nails. I can't use these for my nails. They're way too big. And I thought they were so cute. Like, look at this key. These are just such cool, like, knickknacks. There's a little camera pendant, gears. There's little trains in here. I've got 2 globes. So like you can make like earrings or necklaces with these, or I don't know, any other DIY. This actually spins. More keys. And this one was not on a promotion just because it is a metallic mix and they're more expensive. So it was just, I just bought the 50 mLs and that's what I got. I forgot what this is technically called, like the style of it. Some scissors, a little pocket watch, more gears. Maniology's most recent box actually was based on this type of theme. I forgot what it's called, like a little bike. These are so cute. I had no use for them, but they're so cute. Steampunk, that is it. This is like a steampunk kind of mix. So yeah, like I said, I will make sure to put as much information about these shops as I can in the description. If you want me to continue doing hauls, if I continue buying from them, because I really need to stop buying charms. If I do get any more, and if you guys want to see more hauls like this, let me know and I will do that for you. I can't wait to get it put away. As you can see here, actually, these right here are all from Kosbling. So these are all Supermixes here. These are from other stores. I have a lot more from Kosbling that I need to put away. They are an amazing company. All these shops I love so much. The hosts are all so sweet. If you want to know any other ones that I would recommend, let me know and I will be happy to tell you. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching as always. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.